Assalamu alaikum, dear student. What is the function of a memory data register? To store the data being processed. Option B is correct. What is the purpose of a memory hierarchy? To optimize memory access times and storage capacities. Option B is correct. Which memory type is used for strong, frequently accessed data for quicker retrieval? Cache memory is used for. Option C is correct. What is the function of a memory address register? To hold the memory address of the next instruction to be fetched. Option B is correct. What which memory type is non-volatile in rewritable memory? Rewritable. EEPROM. Answer option number D is correct. EEPROM. What does EEPROM stands for? Electrically erasable. Option electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM stands for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Which memory type is used as a temporary storage by the CPU? Cache memory. Cache memory is a type used as a temporary memory storage. What is the typical lifespan of flash memory? 5 to 10 years. Option number B is correct. Flash memory lifespan is 5 to 10 years. Which memory type is used for firmware updates? Flash memory. Flash memory is a type of memory is used for firmware updates. The another question is, the another objective is, what is the purpose of a virtual memory? To expand physical RAM. The main purpose of the virtual memory is to extend the physical RAM. Which memory type is used to store BIOS setting? What type of memory is used to store BIOS setting? Cache memory is used to store BIOS setting. BIOS means basic input output system. Which memory type is typically the fastest but also the most expensive? Which memory type is typically the fastest but also the most expensive? Cache memory is very fastest and expensive. What is the maximum amount of RAM that a 32-bit operating system can utilize? 4 GB. 4 GB RAM that a bit or 32-bit operating system can utilize. Option number B is correct. What does RAM stands for? Random access memory. Random access memory is a volatile memory or primary memory. It is also called primary memory. RAM stands for random access memory. Which memory type is volatile? RAM. RAM is a volatile memory and also called primary memory. RAM stands for random access memory. Which memory type retains data even when the power is turned up? ROM, random only read only memory. Which memory type retains data when the power is turned up? ROM. What is the basic unit of computer memory? The basic unit of computer memory is bit. Bit is the basic and smallest computer memory unit. Which of the following is not a valid relational operator in most programming language? Option number D is correct. Option number D is not a valid relational and operator in most programming language. What is the binary equivalent of the hexadecimal number 2f? 2f is equal to in the is equal in the binary number is 101111. Which of the following is a characteristic of a linked list? Each element point to the next element in the sequence. Option C is correct. What does CSS stands for? Cascading Style Sheet. CSS is used in the front end of the programming on the website, which is used for the coloring of the website and the designing of the website. Which programming language is often used for statistical computing and data analysis? Option number C is correct. Which of the following is not a type of loop structure in programming? For loop is a type of loop programming structure, while loop, do while loop, until loop. Option number C is incorrect. Which of the following is a markup language used for structuring and presenting content on the web? XML is a markup language used in structuring and presenting the content. What is the purpose of the SQL language? To query and manipulate. To query and manipulate database. Which of the following is not a fundamental principle of the object-oriented programming language? Recursion is not a fundamental principle of object-oriented programming language. Which of the following is not a valid data type in most programming language? Decimal. Decimal is not a valid data type of programming language. Integer, Boolean, character, and decimal is not. What does HTML stands for? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Which of the following is not a programming paradigm? Paradigm. Option number D is correct. What is the process of converting a high-level language programming language into machine code called compilation? Is the process of converting high-level language program into machine code is called compilation. Which data structure organizes data in hierarchical format? Tree. Option number C is correct. What is the binary representation of the decimal number 25? The binary representation of the decimal number 25 is 10011. Which programming language is often used for web development and has framework like Option number B is correct. Python. Python is a programming language and framework which sorting algorithm has the best average case time complexity. Merge sort, bubble sort, selection sort, insertion sort, but the merge sort is more the best average case time complexity. Which data structure followed the last in first out LIPO principle? Stack queue follow the last in first out principles of the data structure. What is the smallest unit of data in a computer? Bit. Bit is the smallest unit of computer memory.